Welcome to this Leonardo AI tutorial for beginners. In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to use Leonardo AI completely free and without limits. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to leonardo.ai. Click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner. You can sign up using your Google account, Apple ID, or email address. Once you've signed up, verify your email and log in to your account. After logging in, you'll land on the Leonardo AI dashboard. Here, you'll see several options like AI image generation, models, datasets, and more. For now, we'll focus on generating AI images. Click on Image Generation from the sidebar. Now you'll see a prompt box where you can type in your desired image description. For example, you can type, "A futuristic city at sunset with flying cars." Then select the model you want to use from the dropdown. Leonardo Diffusion and Alchemy are great choices for beginners. You can also tweak other settings like image dimensions, number of images, guidance scale, and more. But if you're just starting out, you can leave these at default for now. Once your prompt and model are selected, click on the Generate button. In a few seconds, Leonardo AI will create beautiful images based on your prompt. To download an image, just click on it and then hit the download button. You can also upscale the image for higher quality or use it for further editing. Want to generate images unlimitedly? Here's a tip. Leonardo AI gives you daily tokens. To use it without hitting limits, spread out your usage throughout the day, or create multiple free accounts with different email addresses. You can also train your own AI model using your images. Just go to the Fine-Tune Models section and upload your training data. Leonardo AI will create a model that generates images in your specific style. Another cool feature is the Prompt Magic toggle. Turn this on to enhance your prompts automatically for better results. That's it. You now know how to use Leonardo AI for free and generate unlimited AI images step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly AI tutorials. Thanks for watching.